How to set up and manage online bill payments with Santander Bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set up and manage online bill payments with Santander Bank. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Santander Bank application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is your user ID and password. Once logged in, you will be led to the home page of Santander Bank. Paying bills online is a dependable, efficient, intuitive, and guaranteed way of paying bills. Now, to set up online bill, log into your online banking firstly, and now you will see the option for Bill Pay Quick link. Tap on that. Now, add a company or person option you see there and select a bill category and name the company or type the name of the company or person. Now, fill in the account information and finally tap on the Add button. Then complete the payment information and tap on the Make Payment option. Once you set up pay via online or mobile banking, bills can be paid each month using both ways. If you pay the same amount each month, you can also set bills to autopay. Just select the autopay option in the Bill Payment Center in online banking. So this is how you can set up and manage online bill payments with Santander Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.